I can't be giving him it. I don't have nobody. It's just me and my baby. And my brother lives way in Flint. And turn myself in for how long? Sure. I'll have to get, yes, I'll come back to.
Your Honor, I would just like to state again that she is very apologetic, that she should not, she knows that she should not have taken medication, and she did not, but she did not realize that it was an opiate.
I did not.
She just thought it was regular medication.
Yeah, no.
If Your Honor is going to incarcerate her, we would ask that she have the opportunity to make arrangements for her son. She has a brother who lives in Flint that she can get in touch with and hopefully get her son there tonight, and she will report to the Washington County Jail by 8 a.m. tomorrow morning.
I came as soon as you asked me today.
She is willing to testify.
For sure.
During her probable cause conference to the 12th, March 12th at 9 a.m., I'll give her a chance to get arrangements to take care of her child. So I'll indicate that I'll continue her bond at this point in time. Defendant is to report to the Washington County Jail with ID at 8 a.m. tomorrow morning. Understood?
Yes, sir.
At which point then her bond will be revoked.
Sir, do you know how long I should advise my brother or my son?
At least a week.
Okay. Thank you. I'm sorry, Your Honor. I do apologize for anything.
Thank you.
Court calls the case, People versus Jennifer Bishop.
Alexander, on behalf of the people, Your Honor.
Jordan, please state your name for the court. Ethan Jordan.
All right. I have before me a plea form. Indicates that he would be pleading guilty to an added count of attempted resisting and obstructing a police officer. That's a 1-year offense. Upon a successful plea to that charge, count 1 would be dismissed. Defendant is also agreeing to write a letter of apology to the victims, and also there is an agreement to sentencing under HIDA. That's the court's full understanding of the agreement.
That's correct, Your Honor.
And that is a correct statement.
May I have him sworn?
Raise your right hand. Do you solemnly swear in the current testimony you're about to give will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth? So help you God.
I did.
State your name, please.
Ethan Jordan.
Sir, it is this court's understanding that you're going to plead guilty to the charge of attempted resisting and obstructing a police officer. That is a misdemeanor, punishable by up to 1 year incarceration or $1,000 fine plus court costs. You understand that?
I do.
Still wish to, and I also do have to advise you that while I'm taking your plea, I would not be your sentencing judge, and you would be sentenced before Judge Garwood in the 15th District Court. You understand that?
Understood.
Still wish to plead guilty?
Yes.
And to that charge, how do you plead?
Guilty.
Now, you understand that by pleading guilty, you'll not have a trial of any kind.
I do.
You signed an advice of rights form, is that correct?
I have.
Any question regarding those rights?
Sir.
Please look at paragraph 5. You'll see a copy on the podium. Those are your rights. Are part of a trial. You understand by pleading guilty, you'll be giving up those rights as well as all the rights on that form.
Understood.
You understand you're giving up your right to appeal of right.
I do.
Are you on probation or parole?
I am.
Were you on probation or parole at the time of this offense?
I was.
Both? Well, not
Probation.
both. You were on probation? Out of what court?
15th district.
You understand that your entry of a plea in this case could be a violation of that probation?
I do.
You understand that as such, that court could sentence you to the maximum allowable under that other charge?
I do.
And understanding that, you still wish to plead guilty to this charge?
Yes, sir.
Has anybody promised you anything other than what's been stated here today on the record to get you to plea?
No.
Anybody threaten you or coerce you in any way?
No.
You're doing this voluntarily?
I am.
Of your own free will?
Yes.
And because you believe that you are indeed guilty of this offense?
Yes, sir.
November 29th, 2025, at the location of 1201 South Main Street, City of Ann Arbor, Washington County, State of Michigan. Did you come into contact with a police officer from the University of Michigan Department of Public Safety?
Yes, sir.
And what happened?
I was denied entry into the stadium based off an invalid ticket, and
You were denied entry into the stadium without a ticket.
an invalid ticket, but yes. I resisted a not campus security, stadium security officer, and then after which police officers came to assist in removing me from the stadium, and it was at that point where
So you went to the stadium and you just decided to go without a ticket?
I was kind of like scammed out of a ticket.
You were scammed out of the ticket?
I purchased a ticket that was invalid.
Oh,
So
you're still gonna go anyway.
no, that wasn't the intent to.
Mr. Jordan, you were denied entry into the stadium, correct? And security tried to get you to leave
Correct.
and escort you out,
Correct.
and you resisted that attempt.
Correct.
And then UVM police officers, uniformed, approached, and they attempted to assist the security and
Yes.
escort you out, and you continued to resist.
Yes.
And you realized they were giving you lawful commands to leave the stadium.
Eventually, I did. Yes.
Did you realize?
Well, no, you eventually left, but you realized that at the time they were giving you the order or attempting to try to get you to leave the stadium, that they were giving you a lawful command to leave the stadium.
Yes.
You understand that between the time that I accept your plea and the time of sentencing, if you commit misconduct as defined under the Michigan court rules, that you would not be entitled to withdraw your plea, and the court would not be bound by any sentence evaluation or recommendation. You understand that?
I do.
Is counsel aware of any other promises, threats, or other inducements which have led to this plea?
None, Your Honor.
And have I complied with the court rule?
Yes, Your Honor.
We're satisfied, Your Honor. Thank you.
Court will accept the defendant's plea of guilty to count 2. Count 1 is dismissed. Pre-sentence investigation and report is ordered at 15th District Court probation. Sentencing in this matter will be
March 31st at 9 a.m.
March 31st, 2026, 9 a.m. before Judge Garwood. Bond will continue.
Very good.
Thank you.
Thank you very much, Your Honor. Have a good day.
Thank you.
This courtroom session gave us two very different situations, but one consistent theme: accountability. In Miss Murdoch's case, a single poor decision, taking unknown medication, led to serious consequences despite her efforts to comply otherwise. The judge ultimately prioritized the integrity of the court's conditions over her explanation. Then, in the second case, we saw a defendant accept responsibility and plead guilty, fully aware of the legal consequences, including possible probation violations and sentencing risks. Together, these cases highlight how critical personal responsibility is within the legal system, whether it's following strict conditions or owning up to mistakes. If you found this case as shocking as we did, make sure to hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more jaw-dropping courtroom breakdowns.